The median of 97 consecutive integers is 55. Find the last number. So before we solve this, define muna natin what is median. So median again is the middle number. So kung meron kang listahan ng mga numbers, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, by the way, these are consecutive numbers. Ang median natin is yung middle number, which is 3. And ang ginagawa ng median is it will divide the data set into two equal parts. This part and this part. As you can see dito, meron tayong dalawang data. Dito naman meron tayong dalawang data. So ang sabi sa problem, meron kang 97 consecutive integers. So how do we get the last term? So ang gawin lang natin is since ito is odd, para mahanap natin yung middle position, since ang ating n again is odd, that is 97, what we're going to do is n plus 1 over 2. This is gonna give you 97 plus 1 over 2, or this is 98 over 2, or this is gonna give you 49. So meaning to say, yung 49th term natin is our median, which happens to be 55. So meaning to say, kung meron kang listahan ng mga numbers dyan, this is your 55. And again, ang sabi natin, di ba, yung median will divide the data set into two equal parts. So, dito na part, yung number of data niya dito will be equal sa number of data dito. So again, yung middle is 95. Eto, 97 numbers, di ba? Meron ka ng isa. So what you're going to do is 97 minus 1. This is gonna give you 96. Divide mo yan by 2. This is gonna give you 48. So meaning to say, may 48 data dito. Dito naman may 48 na mga data entries. So ano yung last term? Since consecutive yan, all you have to do is add 55 plus 48. This is gonna give you 55. This is 103. So meaning to say our answer here is 103. Follow for more.